So we went to Trader Joe's yesterday and I haven't been in a couple weeks, so I figured I should just re-up on everything. Is this damn gonna be too low? Figured I would re-up on everything, so I'm just going to, is that a hot mess back there? No. So I'm just gonna show you what the best things from Trader Joe's are. What am I missing?
Oh, did you eat that fish oil in the morning?
No.
I must have then. Oh no, actually I didn't. 2 a day, steroids, and racism.
Steroids.
Ready at the fucking gym, boys. What do you think?
Alright, watch out.
I see the shreds coming in.
Watch out. Okay. So, I'm just gonna put you guys on all my favorite things from Trader Joe's. I know if you've been to Trader Joe's, you freaking love it. It's so fun in there. Like, I feel like the marketing and the way they, I don't know, like I said, yeah, the marketing, I think they just kill it. It makes you want to buy everything. And a lot of the things are like super cheap. Obviously it adds up, but like everything's like freaking $3, $5. So you're just like, oh, I'll add this, and then you end up still spending a lot, but you get a lot. So where do we start? This tomato sauce is so good. It's tomato basil pasta sauce. So it's like a little bit thicker. And yeah, it has the basil in there. It's really, really, really good. This is what I use like pretty much all the time when I make spaghetti. And then I recently came across, I just bought this yesterday, which I've never had it anywhere else, so I don't know if it's like a Trader Joe's, like super good from there or whatever, but it's called mascarpone, I think, and it's like a sweet Italian cheese. I got this at a restaurant that I'll also put you guys on to. It's called Hideout, and it's in Lafayette, and it's so freaking good. And we had it one time for an appetizer on, like, I think it was sourdough toast with honey drizzled over it and almonds, and so I bought that to recreate it, and it's really, really good. Another thing that is really good, I'm gonna say that so many times in this video, is this 3-layer hummus, and it is traditional cilantro, jalapeno, and spicy. So all of them mixed is so good. I eat these with like crackers or carrots, vegetables. It's really good. This barbecue chicken salad is so good if you like barbecue sauce. It has Monterey cheese, tortilla strips, barbecue sauce, ranch dressing, black beans, barbecue flavored chicken. Fire. This is a really good lunch. It's really big, so it keeps you full. And this.
What about that sauce we get?
What's up? Oh, the chili one?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Pop your head out of the corner, you're hella funny. Oh, and the pesto. Okay, then this creamy chicken and poblano ravioli. This is like $5, and it feeds me at least like twice for like 2 different lunches. And then I put the kale, cashew, and basil pesto on it. This is a vegan pesto. I'm not vegan, but if you are, this is really good. And if not, it's really good too. I really like this, especially these two together. Fire. Oh my gosh, that pesto almost just went everywhere. And then another cooking thing is the chili onion crunch. This is good. We really only tried it on, shrimp. Like we just like grill some shrimp with this. Other than that, we haven't used it for anything else, but it's really good. As everybody knows, everything but the bagel seasoning, this is so freaking good to put on like your eggs. I just recently tried it yesterday with bell pepper and cream cheese, and then put this on top, and that was really good too. These chips are so fire. This is chili lime tortilla chips, but they're kind of like Takis, but I like to call them healthier, but I don't know if they really are. I'm sure the ingredients are healthier and like not as processed. They're very different than Takis. I really like Takis more than these for sure, but these are really good. I think Rob likes them more than Takis. These banana chips, so fire. And they actually, I just found the jerk style ones, so I'm actually gonna try it right now. Rob. Okay, he's in the shower, so I'll wait until he gets out and we'll try those. Because we've only had these ones and they're just plain, and they're really good. So they're like kind of salty. And then I bought these this time for the first time to try, and they are the mini cheese, like, what is that brand? Is it Kraft? I don't know, but I'm sure everyone knows, seen these cheese crackers before. They have cheese and peanut butter ones, but obviously these are organic. I figure like all the ingredients are just way better than the other ones. No hydrogenated oils. That is very important when it comes to these type of snacks. Okay, and then that's it for like savory. So they have tons and tons of buckets of cookies. So these cookies are really good. This is the chocolate chip. They have multiple chocolate chip ones though, I think. Oh, I'm like running out of breath. I'm like getting way too excited. There are these mini ones though. So the blue label, and then they're the mini ones, and they kind of taste like coconutty to me. Like, I don't know, the base of the cookie tastes coconutty, and then the chocolate chips, it's just fire. Then they have, oh, and so they didn't have them this time, that's why I didn't get them, but they have another bucket, and they're called school book cookies, and they're shaped in the alphabets or whatever, the letters of the alphabet, and they're like cinnamon sugar. Oh my gosh, they're so freaking good. I'm kind of upset that they were not there this time. Then dessert, they have chocolate covered strawberries and chocolate covered bananas, frozen. I really like these. I don't like these because I don't like bananas, but I get these for Rob and then I eat these. And so they're a little bit of like a guiltless dessert. Okay, these have to be my two most favorite items, I'd say, from Trader Joe's. Then that's a lot. That's saying a lot because I like love everything here, but these are the raspberry ice cream bars. They're so good. I wanna like, so they're raspberry and vanilla cream. So I kind of want to like compare them to like a creamsicle or something like that, because it has the tartness from the fruit and then the sweetness from the cream. But these are just so much better. They're little mini bars, and I don't think they're that much either. Oh, serving size 3 bars. I could do that for sure. They're really good. If you like raspberry, try these, and they're super cheap like everything else. And I think they have like orange ones too, or no, mango, but the mango's not as good. I feel like because mango's not as strong of a flavor in a way. Anyway, this last item, these are called Scandinavian Swimmers, and they're like sour candy but fruit snacks, like better quality. They're not like cheap candy, I don't know, but they're sour. So good. They also have regular ones, but I'm sure are just as good, but I like sour, so if you're not a fan of sour, still try them. It's just, I think, a blue bag instead. And yeah, that's pretty much it for my Trader Joe's like favorites list. But they have so many things there, so if you guys go there and shop there a lot and there's like hidden gems that I don't know about, please leave them below. I love to like try new things. I've been wanting to try the JoJo's, like they're like Oreos, but we always get those cookies, so I try not to get too much. But anyway, so yeah, that's pretty much it for this haul. If you haven't already, go and watch my